Healthy eating for busy lifestyles. Healthy eating is challenging when you're busy. It requires preparation and planning, but maintaining healthy eating habits is easier than you may think, and the rewards are well worth it. Eating a nutritious diet can help improve your health, boost your energy and immune system, reduce stress, and protect your overall well-being. If work and other responsibilities keep you busy, following 9 simple tips can help you create a healthy eating plan that fits your hectic schedule. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Breakfast is an essential meal that helps your mind and body get ready for the day. While you may think that skipping meals will help with weight loss, not eating a nutritious breakfast can make it difficult to concentrate and leave you feeling hungry, irritable, and less productive. And you're more likely to be so hungry by lunch that you will overeat. Eating a protein-rich breakfast gives you the energy you need to power through your morning. Research has shown that eating breakfast has numerous benefits for health, including keeping your circadian rhythm running on track. However, for many of us, mornings are often the busiest. Whether you're trying to fit in a workout or have kids to take care of, cooking a full breakfast is likely something that's only possible on weekends. So rather than skipping breakfast or settling for a sugar-loaded pastry, give yourself a leg up in the morning by making breakfast ahead of time. Personally, I like to prep my breakfast each night, just before I start winding down, as I find the process relaxing. But you could also make a big batch on a Sunday to have ready to go throughout the week. Blend up a green smoothie. Use your blender to whip up a wholesome breakfast smoothie before you rush out the door in the morning. A smoothie is also a great post-workout snack. Experiment with different ingredients, including fresh and frozen fruits and veggies, nuts and seeds, Greek yogurt, and protein powders. For an even healthier smoothie, add kale, spinach, or other leafy green vegetables. Stay hydrated and watch what you drink. Busy people often drink coffee throughout the day to keep themselves energized. Moderate amounts of caffeine can enhance your alertness and productivity, but too much caffeine can raise your blood pressure, leave you dehydrated, and reduce your brain function. When you're thirsty, it may be tempting to grab a soda or juice, but sweetened beverages contain added sugars and empty calories. Health experts recommend that you drink plain water, which keeps you hydrated and prevents dehydration headaches. Water also helps flush toxins from the body and carries nutrients to your cells. Bring a reusable bottle to work and keep it filled with water. Download a free app on your phone that will remind you to drink water throughout the day. Pack your lunch. Fast food may be convenient, but it's often filled with calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium. Rather than grabbing fast food for lunch, pack your lunch the night before so you can control what you eat and avoid unhealthy options. And set a fixed time for lunch. Being mindful of when you eat can help you become more conscious of what you eat. Choose healthy snack options. It's easy to lose track of how much you eat during the day. Making your own pre-portioned snacks can prevent you from overeating and help you save money by avoiding the vending machine. Snacking can actually help you maintain a healthy weight and even lose weight, as long as you pay attention to the types of foods you snack on and make smart choices. Healthy snacks you can eat without gaining weight include apple slices with almond butter, pretzels with hummus, yogurt, and air-popped popcorn. Limit processed snacks, like chips and crackers, and store cut-up fruits and vegetables in the fridge, or keep healthy snacks in a cooler at the office or in your car. Make healthy choices when you eat out. When you have a hectic schedule, you're more likely to go out to eat. Learning how to make healthy choices at restaurants can help you maintain healthy eating habits and protect your well-being. Choose dishes that contain mostly vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and opt for grilled or baked foods instead of fried foods. Skip the fries and order a side salad, but go easy on the dressing. As a general rule, fill half of your plate with vegetables and fruits, while keeping a quarter of your plate for whole grains and another quarter for lean protein. Pay attention to portion sizes. Restaurant portions are often large enough for 2 or 3 meals. When eating out, take at least half of your meal to go, or share a meal with a friend. Plan and prep meals on your day off. Planning meals for the entire week in advance makes grocery shopping and preparation easier. Chop vegetables and prepare ingredients on your day off for upcoming stir-fries, casseroles, and sheet pan meals. Slow cookers and crock-pots are convenient for making healthy soups, chilies, stews, and more. Simply fill it with ingredients in the morning and turn it on. By the time you get home, you'll have a healthy meal waiting for you. Crock-pots can also turn tougher cuts of meat tender. Store leftovers in the freezer for upcoming meals, just heat and serve. Personally, I find lunch to be the hardest aspect of maintaining a healthy diet with a busy lifestyle. And especially living in the city, getting takeout is a far too easy fallback. One of the best ways to avoid the drive-through or takeout is to prep your meals ahead of time. Yes, it takes time to plan and prep, but by putting in a few hours on Sunday, you can avoid having to cook the rest, or at least most nights, of the week. To make meal prep easier, look for recipes with 5 ingredients or less and ones with overlapping ingredients. Look into grocery delivery services. If you don't have time to go to the store, consider grocery delivery or pickup options. And save time by opting for pre-chopped fresh fruits and vegetables in the produce department. They cost more, but are a convenient way to stock up on healthy ingredients and healthy snacks. In many communities, you can sign up for a meal delivery service that will send you fresh, pre-chopped ingredients you can use to create simple, healthy dinners. Practice mindful eating. Busy people often eat mindlessly while working on a computer or making phone calls. When you eat in front of a screen, you're more likely to keep reaching for snacks without paying attention to how much you've eaten. Put down your phone, turn off the TV, and pay attention to what you eat. Take 20 minutes to unplug while you enjoy your meal. It's a great way to reduce stress and recharge for the rest of your day. Eating slowly and chewing food completely can help you eat less. It also helps your body absorb nutrients more easily. Order extra vegetables. Even once you have all these other tips down, chances are you'll still have meals where you need, or prefer, to order takeout. And one of the best ways to still stick to a healthier diet is by ordering more veggies. For example, if ordering Chinese or Thai food, ask for an order of steamed vegetables on the side. Or if you're getting pizza, get a family-sized salad to share. Consult a nutritionist. Consider consulting a registered dietitian or nutritionist who can create a personalized meal plan that fits your busy schedule and dietary preferences. Your nutrition choices as a busy executive have a direct impact on your overall well-being and performance. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nutri Trifecta Life for more health tips and natural solutions.